Hi, I'm Stewart McKinlay. At school, the careers advisor told me I should be an agricultural engineer, but I had no intention of working on the farm. I wanted to be a pilot, but then I discovered I was short-sighted and I had no backup plan. I ended up at university and I scraped through a degree, and then I moved into engineering, which I found was really exciting. And in my first job, for example, there was a swimming pool and a jacuzzi in the middle of the factory, which we could use. Then I found my passion, which was helping people and helping engineering employers. And now I'm Associate Director at the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland Manufacturing Skills Academy. So follow your passion, have a backup plan, and you'll find there's no wrong path.